Hi guys, I'm back with a new project, and this project is a very fun one because actually I am using more than 3 colors, and it's very colorful, this one, so I am very excited about it. And now I will show you what is the style that I'm doing, and it's gonna be a class. This is the picture. So for this project, the main color is going to be this one, which is like kind of mustard, lemon kind of color. I will drop the color in the description box, the name, and also what it is, the number. So I will use this one. I will use baby blue, and then this kind of pink, and then fuchsia, and then also black. Okay. Also, I will use 1.5 mm hook. For this project, we are going to start with 111 stitches. Let's make a slip knot, and now let's start counting. 1, 2. So now let's just go all the way back, right? So we're going to insert the hook, not the first one, but the second one, okay? So always the, okay, single crochet, right? Like this. And let's just work the way back. Okay, finished all the way back. So, and I still have one more here. So I will need 109 stitches for the pattern in the middle, 1 stitch for the 3 increases at this end, and also 1 stitch for the 3 increases at this side. So now I will do the 3 increases. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. So these are the 3 stitches of the corner, and now I will just work on the way back. So now at the last one I am going to add 3 stitches, right? And now I will do one more row with the main color, okay? Okay, and now let's turn the corner. And keep working on the other side until the midway, okay? Done about halfway, and now I will start adding the colors 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 because I want the thickness to be gradually more. So now that all my colors are in place and I am here at the corner. So from the pattern, the 3 stitches here are on the first row. The 3 stitches here are going to be I will call it yellow. Okay, so we're going to be yellow. So this is the pattern starts with 3 yellow stitches. So let's do 1, and here I will put the sign again where I started the 3 stitches. Okay. Actually, the last one we need to close with the black color. Okay. So now the pattern follows like this. We have 19 black stitches. Okay, so 19 stitches already done, and now the pattern follows like this: 11 yellow stitches. And 11, and the last one I will close with a black color because the next stitches are going to be black. Okay, so now I will do this 19 black and 11 yellow. I will repeat again, and we will have 3 more times with the black and 2 more times with the yellow. Okay, and then we will turn the corner. Okay guys, I'm finished with the whole side, and now I will do the corner, which are 3 stitches in yellow, and then I will just continue with the back side the same, and once I'm finished I will see you once I'm finished at this side over here. Okay, I already finished both sides as you can see now, and now I will continue with row number 2, and row number 2 is over here, right? So now I have the 3 corner stitches, and the 3 corner stitches are black, so I will have 3 black, 6 hot pink. This is first row, and here we start the second row, okay, at the corner. So we are just going to have 3 stitches, right? Okay, this is the 19th stitch of the first row, and now we have 3 black stitches. Let's read continue to read the pattern. So now we are here. We have 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black. Okay. And now the pattern continues like this: 6 hot pink, 1 black. Done. And now the pattern continues like this: 9 yellow. So the pattern continues like this: 1 black, 6 hot pink. Next is 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black. One black, and let's read the pattern: 6 hot pink, 1 black. Okay, so it's like this. So now the pattern is 5 yellow stitches. 5 yellow stitches here. Okay, I did this one. Now the pattern is just going to repeat itself, but in the reverse, right? So we are not going to go we are not going to follow from here in this direction, but now we are going to follow from here in this direction, right? Now that I did 5 yellow, I will continue to do this way, but I will count not from here, because this I already did, but I will count from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have another 4 yellow, right? This is the pattern, okay? Starting to show, right? So now I will just do the back, which is the same like this. Okay, already finished both sides until here, and now we are going to start the pattern again. So now we are at the 3rd row, and the 3rd row starts here. So now the pattern follows like this: 8 hot pink, and close with a black because the next stitch is black. 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black. Okay. Next, the pattern follows like this: 1 pink, 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black. And now the pattern follows like this. We are here: 6 hot pink, 1 black. Here it is. Now the pattern follows like this: 7 yellow. Okay, now we are going to follow the pattern here: 1 black, 6 hot pink. Okay, next one we have next one we have 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black. Okay, now the pattern is 1 pink, 1 black, 2 blue, 1 black. Okay, so next is, we are here, next is 6 hot pink and 1 black. Okay, next we have here 4 yellow. Okay, so this is row number 3, right? Now we are just going to continue the rest the same as this one, but in reverse, okay?